Welcome back to Auto Next. Today we're taking a close look at the all-new 2026 Toyota Corolla, a car that continues to redefine what a compact sedan can be. The Corolla has always been known for reliability, but the 2026 model takes a big step forward in design, technology, and driving experience. Right from the first glance, the 2026 Corolla looks sharper and more modern. The front fascia is more aggressive with a redesigned grille, sleeker LED headlights, and a sportier stance that gives it a premium feel. The side profile is clean and aerodynamic, while the rear features updated LED taillights and a refined bumper that adds to its confident road presence. This is still a Corolla, but it definitely looks more mature and stylish than ever before. Step inside, and you'll notice a cabin that feels more upscale and driver-focused. Toyota has improved material quality throughout the interior, with soft touch surfaces and a cleaner dashboard layout. The centerpiece is a larger touchscreen infotainment system that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making connectivity seamless. The digital instrument cluster is crisp and easy to read, giving the driver all essential information at a glance. Seats are more comfortable, offering better support for long drives, and rear passengers get decent legroom for a compact sedan. Under the hood, the 2026 Toyota Corolla offers efficient yet capable engine options. Toyota continues to focus on fuel economy without sacrificing performance. The standard engine delivers smooth acceleration for daily driving, while improved suspension tuning ensures a comfortable and stable ride. For those who care about efficiency, the hybrid variant remains a strong highlight, delivering impressive mileage and lower emissions, making it perfect for city driving and long commutes. Safety has always been a strong point for Toyota, and the 2026 Corolla is no exception. It comes equipped with the latest Toyota Safety Sense suite, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. These features work together to provide peace of mind and make everyday driving safer and more relaxed. On the road, the 2026 Corolla feels refined and easy to drive. Steering is light yet responsive, making it ideal for urban traffic, while highway driving feels stable and quiet thanks to improved insulation. Whether you're a first-time car buyer, a small family, or someone looking for a dependable daily driver, the Corolla fits the role perfectly. In conclusion, the all-new 2026 Toyota Corolla proves that practicality doesn't have to be boring. With its updated design, advanced technology, strong safety features, and excellent fuel efficiency, it continues to be one of the smartest choices in the compact car segment. This is Auto Next, and if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest cars.